Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how we can remove unwanted object from our video using Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my Inshot application and I'm going to remove this object, for example, this cup of coffee, I guess. And if we want to remove unwanted object from our video, we have to overlay this video with the same video. First of all, we can go to PIP option, and this is the same video, so I'm going to add it to my project. Then we can click on this button to fit the screen, and after that we're going to put mask to cover the unwanted object. You can select mask, and here you can choose the type of the mask. I'm gonna go with the circle mask. Then we can take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to take this part, for example, because this part will be suitable to cover this object. Oops, wait guys. Okay, once you're done, you can click on the check mark and then you can drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Feel free to rotate it if you need. Okay, and I think it's done. Then to make it more natural, you can adjust the brightness or the contrast. You can go to folder, then you can select adjust, and here you can adjust the lightness like this, and for the contrast as well. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. Once you're done, you can click on the check mark and click on the check mark again, and this is the final result. And I know that it's not perfect, but at least here I'm just going to show to you the basic tutorial on how to remove unwanted objects from our video. Alright guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.